Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalyst. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel in Systeme.io. So for creating a funnel in Systeme.io, the first thing you need to do is to open your funnel tab. Then click on create. Then here, the first thing you need to do, write down your funnel name. So I'll just write down here, lead magnet. You could write down here anything you want. After that, we choose the domain. So here you can see our subdomain. If you have a custom domain, and then you can see your custom domain here. And if you didn't connect your custom domain, then you can see your subdomain over here. Now we need to choose the type of funnels we want to create. Here we will able to create 4 types of funnels, which are build an audience, sell, custom, and we can run an evergreen webinar. We will start with the first type, which is build an audience. We will use this funnel in order to collect and save leads. We will use our squeeze space of our funnel. But before we click save to see our funnels, here's an important button, which is the currency button. It really doesn't matter which type of funnel we are building. The euro is gonna be our default currency. But for the specific funnel that we are building with the goal of building an audience, we are not charging any product in the pages that we will build. But after some reason, we want to include an order form or a page where customer would pay for something, then this becomes really very important. And that time changing the currency is little complicated. So make sure you choose the right currency from the beginning. So I will choose here US dollar. Now let's click save and click here to open the funnel. Here you can see we have 2 pages. One is squeeze page and second one is thank you page. Squeeze page contains a form where our customers will enter their information like first name and email address, and then they will redirect to the thank you page. We can redirect them to any other page that we had like. So we will start by selecting a template for the squeeze page and also for the thank you page. So here on the right side you will get lots of templates. So you can view the templates from here. Just click preview templates and you can see the preview of the templates. And if you like the templates, then just click here to select the templates. So I'll just select the templates for the squeeze page. Now this way we'll select a template for the thank you page. So just click the thank you page and see the preview of the templates, and if you like the templates, then click select. So after selecting the template, the page is fully functional and ready to go. So here you will got your squeeze page URL. You can copy the URL by clicking here and share with anyone. And if you want to see how your squeeze page it looks like, then you can click on view funnels tab. Then you can see your squeeze page. Before we learn how to customize our funnel, let's look at the button and options we have right here. If you closely look at the right side of each funnel, if you hover your mouse pointer here, then you will got to see these 3 options. The first one is to duplicate the page. So by clicking on the button, you will immediately get a copy of that page. The second one, we use it when we want to move the page from one funnel to another funnel. So I just need to click the button. Then from here, choose your another funnel where you want to move. Then click save. Then this page will move to that funnel. And the third one is remove the page. So just by clicking here, you can remove the page. Now, if you look at these sections, here you can see 3 options. The first one is view funnel. By clicking over here, you can see your funnel. Click here and let's see our funnel. And now we can see our funnel. And the second option is funnel setting. Here you can rename your funnel and choose another domain if you have. And then here you can see the currency option. And you cannot change the currency. So make sure you choose the right currency at the very beginning when you are creating your funnel. Below the currency, you will see the allowed payment methods for these funnels. Right now it's not showing any because this particular account that I'm using is not connected to any payment platforms, but you will be able to connect your Stripe or PayPal accounts to Systeme.io, and then those options will appear here. You can activate one payment methods or activate them all that way. If you add an order form or a product to your funnel pages, then the customer will be able to choose if they wanna pay with Stripe or PayPal or with a credit card or any other payment method that you add. Now click on save. Let's take a look at the last options right here. This one is to create and publish a marketplace offer. Let's say you're selling something here and you want an affiliate to promote your offer. So you'll just click a button and you will fill the form. So you will write the name of the offer and a small description so that affiliates know what they're about to promote. Also, you need to select a category for your offer. Then you're gonna add an image to your offer. After that, you're gonna select the pages that you want your affiliates to promote. So here, for example, I only have quiz page. So I don't have an order form. I don't have a sales page. So that's why we only see a quiz page here. And then for the info page, this is the page that you create within your funnel. If you want to add an important information like your policies, your terms and conditions, and just any other important details that you might want to add for your affiliates, that will be added on the info page. And then click save and your page will be added to your marketplace so that other Systeme.io users can find it and promote it. In this case, if someone promotes my quiz page and that person managed to get leads to the opt-in page, then their affiliate ID will be associated with those leads. And if they purchase an offer, then that affiliate who promotes my quiz page will earn a commission. Let's continue with the last set of buttons that we have right here. On the very top, we have Final Save button. This is really important and you wanna use it every time you make a change. So let's say, for an example, I wanna use a different URL for the quiz page. So for now, I'll just write down here quiz page, then straight to click on save. The second button is the button that we use to visit the page. So just click over here, view final step, then we can see the page. Then the third button is another super important button and use it to enter the templates editor. That's where you design and customize a template that you choose for your final step. In the next video, I will show you how to edit and customize a page. The last button is used when you want to change the templates of your page. You have to be very careful with these buttons because if you decide to change your templates, you will lost all the work you had on your previous template. It will not automatically bring your text, images and other blocks to fit the new template. So that's it for this particular video. In the next video, I will show you how to edit and customize a funnel. I hope you guys learned something new, and that's it for this particular video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.